What is manifestation? Is it just a load of woo-woo nonsense, or is there actually real neuroscience behind it? You've probably seen the word everywhere on social media. People saying they've manifested their dream house, their soulmate, or even millions of dollars. But what does that actually mean? I'll be honest, I've been aware of manifestation as a concept for quite a number of years, but I've never really dived deep into it. That changed earlier this year when someone I know, who's pretty successful, he told me he swears by it. He had just bought Roxie Nafousi's book, Manifest, and he recommended that I did too. So obviously I did, and I read it. And to be honest with you, yeah, I was pretty impressed. Afterwards, I wanted to go deeper and learn more. So I found a mentor called Adonis Bjornson. He's given me an even bigger perspective on just how powerful our minds are on shaping our reality. And it's really connected a lot of dots for me, linking up ideas from all the personal development books that I've read over the years. In fact, it's now something that I actively work on with all our mentees inside our Skool community. So in this video, I'm going to strip it back to the basics. If you're brand new to manifesting, or you've heard of it but never really understood it, let me share with you my understanding of what manifestation is. For me, the simplest way to explain what manifesting is this. It's the practice of turning your thoughts, beliefs, and your desires into reality. And that doesn't mean closing your eyes and wishing for a Lamborghini just to randomly turn up on your driveway. It means aligning your mindset, your energy, and your actions so that what you want becomes not just possible, but actually inevitable. So here's the way I look at it. Everything in life starts in the mind first. Think about this. Everything that was created by man was once a thought in someone's head and now is a physical reality. Manifesting is just that process, but used intentionally. Instead of just letting life happen to you, you're choosing the direction, setting the vision, and showing up as the person who can actually make it real. So why does this actually work? I used to be a bit skeptical until I realized there was actually some very real reasons behind it. First, your reticular activating system. This is like a filter in your brain. When you set an intention, your mind literally starts spotting opportunities that you would have missed before. It's like when you're thinking of buying a car and then suddenly you see it everywhere out on the roads. Manifesting works in the exact same way. You're priming your brain to focus on what matters. Second, energy and vibration. Adonis has really helped me to understand this. He explained that our thoughts and emotion carry a frequency. If you're constantly negative, stressed, or doubting yourself, then you attract chaos. But when you're calm, confident, and grateful, you naturally start to attract things that match that energy. And practicing gratitude is something I've actually been doing for quite a while. And when I first started doing that, I did notice a massive shift in my perception. So don't sleep on this. If you're not even just writing 3 things down a day that you're grateful for, give it a go. And I guarantee you will start noticing a difference within days, like very, very quickly. And the third, psychology and neuroscience. This is where Roxie's book clicked for me. When you believe something is possible, your brain literally rewires itself. That's called neuroplasticity. It's when your neural pathways strengthen around the beliefs and habits that you repeat. Pair that with dopamine, the brain's reward chemical, which gets released when you visualize success. Your brain starts treating that vision like a real memory, so you feel pulled towards it. So manifesting isn't just about asking the universe. It's about rewiring your brain, shifting your energy, and backing it up with consistent action. Now, let's clear up a few myths, because these are the reasons why people either dismiss manifesting or just don't get results. Myth 1. Manifesting is just daydreaming. No. If you just sit around visualizing and never take action, that's fantasy, not manifestation. Myth 2. It's about controlling the universe. Nope, you're not forcing things to happen. You're aligning yourself so opportunities flow more naturally. Myth 3. It only works for certain people. Not true. Anyone can manifest, but it requires belief, commitment, and consistency. The people who say it doesn't work are usually the people that just gave up too quickly. So how do you actually start? Here's a simple process that I use combining what I've learned from Roxie and Adonis. Step 1, get clear. If you don't know what you want, you can't manifest it. Write it down. Be specific. Not I want more money, but I want £5,000 per month doing the work that I love. And this is actually one of the first things we get our mentees to do when they join our Skool community. Clarity is the foundation. Step 2, build belief. This is the hardest part because deep down, if you don't think you're worthy or you're capable, your subconscious will block you. This is why affirmations, self-worth practices, and surrounding yourself with the right people are so powerful. And inside our community, this is a big focus. Building belief in yourself until it becomes second nature. Step 3, visualize and feel it. Spend a few minutes each day imagining what it looks like and, more importantly, what it feels like. Your emotions are the magnet. And this isn't just woo-woo, neuroscience backs this up. Studies have shown that when athletes visualize themselves either running, lifting weights, or even playing the piano, their brains fire off nearly the exact same neural pathways as if they were actually doing it. In fact, in one study, people who just visualized lifting weights still actually gained muscle mass just by mentally rehearsing it. So when you visualize your future, whether that's the job, the lifestyle, or the version of you that you want to step into, your brain is literally treating it as practice, like it's already happening. That's why the feeling is so important. It wires the brain as if it's real. Step 4, take aligned action. This is where it all comes together. The vision gives you direction, but it's the action that opens the doors. Apply for the job, start that side hustle, have the conversation, do the thing. Step 5, let go of the how. And now, just trust. Stay consistent, keep moving forward, but don't obsess over how it's going to happen. Often the path unfolds in ways that you could never have predicted. So why is manifesting actually good for you? Even if you completely ignore the spiritual side of it, manifesting forces you to get clear on your goals, improve your mindset, raise your self-worth, take action consistently, and live with more gratitude and positivity. And those things alone, they change your life. I've seen it in my own journey, and I've seen it in the people around me, especially our mentees who've committed to this process. It's not luck, it's not magic, it's alignment. So that's the basics of manifesting. What it is, how it works, and how you can start today. If you found this interesting, then do me a favor. Could you make sure you subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, and share this with someone who's curious about manifesting? And let me know in the comments, what's the first thing you'd like to manifest? And listen, if you want support with this, if you'd like to go deeper and actually apply manifestation to your business, to your goals, to your life in a like-minded community, then check out our mentoring group on Skool. It's where we help people get clear, build belief, and take action step by step. The link is in the description. Remember, your thoughts create reality. So start thinking, feeling, and acting in alignment with the life that you want.